Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Lapis Corner, and today I'm going to be making Ghana weaving shuku hairstyle, and I'm going to be using one pack of expression attachment for the hairstyle. So if you are new here, I am the Lapis Corner, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm cutting the attachment for my girls to start pulling before my clients will come.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
So right now my client has arrived, so this is me sectioning her hair into two parts so that I will start making the back part first. So after that I give her a stove so that she can rest her head on it while I make her hair. So I will not be telling her, "Ma, please bend your hair, ma, please bend your hair." So she has to rest, and I'll plait the hair so that her neck will not even pain her while I'm making the hair. So that's the reason for the stood that I gave her. So please relax and enjoy the video.
Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
So guys, we are done with the hair and we went ahead to do some finishing touches, dip the hair into hot water and then trim, added mousse and hairstyling spray and everything to the hair. So this is the final look of the hair. So yeah, I told her that her hair is fine and then she was happy, and that's my next customer waiting for me over there. So look at the final look. I hope you learn one or two from this video, and thank you guys for watching up until now, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. See you now.